This lesson is all about painting from light to dark, layer over layer. Now I'm ready to give the final detail to the face. First, I'm going to make this a little bit clear. So in order to do that, I'm going to have a little red color into the outside. So it would suggest the edge of the face. Okay, that's good. That make it a little bit softer. That's good. And let me make it a little red colors in the ear over here. That's a little bit warmer. That's good. Now, what I want to do, I'm gonna work into the eye. Let's see. I'm gonna mix a little bit dark colors. The darker color that I mix with is the present blue and the red colors. One is warm, one is cool color. And let's see. I'm gonna, with these colors, I want to also give a little bit indication on the side over here. Maybe a little bit too dark. So let's see. The little deeper colors on the side. That's good. And now let's start from a little bit lighter. I'm gonna have a little bit lighter with little blue colors. Okay. Lighter color first. Now I'm gonna draw the shape of their iris. Let's see. Focus on the shape and then make it too big, and the corner over here also a little bit darker and that, and actually have a little line coming through over here. That's good. Tap tap. You want to make the color a little bit darker, you can tap tap on it, and the corner have a little darker dot. Okay, now I come to the other side. Let's see. Okay, come all the way here. I think I can move it. Let's see, where's the corner of the eye? The corner of the eye is right here. So I can have the iris a little bit more open like this, and I think on this side have a little bit darker line coming through over here like that. Okay, on this side this line a little bit more obvious, a little bit darker. This. Okay, this is the first, and I'll come in here, use the dark color and fine tune a little bit the smiling. Okay, and I'm gonna soften a little bit on this side, and I'm gonna use the red color to connect that colors a little bit coming outside, and I'm going to use a little bit more red colors in here, and I can see the shape turning like this. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to use this red color to have this fade away like that. That's good. I'm going to work on the other side too. That color need to be a little bit darker fading over here. Okay, now what I want to do, I'm gonna come down here to do a little bit yellow colors underneath, like maybe a little yellowish over here. I'm gonna take this color and reform the neck. It's such a small area, so I can just use this small brush like that. That's good. Okay. Now, on this side, I'm gonna make it a little lighter. Keep that light. Okay. Now coming down. Like this. That's good, much better. It make the line at the bottom over here, in the middle over here, a little bit thinner. So you can remove some of the color, make it look a little bit thinner. Okay. And also in here, a little bit lighter too. So I'm gonna try to lift up a little color from here, make it feel a little bit lighter. You can see my attention get a little bit smaller and smaller, closer and closer up to the details. But I did not do that in the first step and the second step. So it's always start from the bigger connection, bigger relationship, and coming down to smaller and smaller as it go. So don't worry about the small details at the beginning. Now the face is much better. Next, I'm gonna work on the arms and the legs. And we're gonna work more on the shadow.